Okay, yeah, number one, this one about pendulum. Nah, this one, you have to measure. Okay, be careful guys ya. Like Mas Kiki mentioned before, for this one, yeah, the length, sometimes they put this one blank, yeah, blank, yeah, and then they stated here in the instruction. Okay, don't forget to write apa? 1 dp. Why 1 dp? Because apa? Because we use apa? Ruler, ya. The smallest scale of ruler is berapa? The smallest scale of ruler is 0.1 centimeter. Okay, so you have to use 1 dp. Yeah, it's not allowed to use only 50. Okay, clear ya? Okay, and then also sometimes they put this one also blank. You have to fill this one. You have to fill this one. You have to fill this one. Clear ya? You have to fill with the correct unit. Okay, and then the time here you have to write apa? From the readings, yeah. Just take everything from the readings. Let's say Miss Kiki's data 28.41. So Miss Kiki write everything here. Okay, and then to find T, small uppercase T here, the period, apa? How many oscillation did you do, guys? 20 complete oscillations. So divided by 20, yeah. And then put here 1.42. 1.4, it's fine. Okay, because in the mark scheme, if I'm not mistaken, in here 2 dp. Sorry, 2 or 3 sigfig. Yeah, yeah, because look at this one. This one, we have to follow this one. You have to take everything from the readings because this one apa? We got this data from apa? From the stopwatch, from the apparatus. So just take everything, yeah. But this one, T in here, we got this one from the calculation. Yeah, remember the smallest sigfig, the rules of small sigfig. Remember 28.41, ya dong, second divided by 20 oscillation. So supposedly you have to use 2 sigfig, right? So 1.4 or 1.42 is fine. Yeah, in the mark scheme 2 or 3 sigfig. Remember ya, Siki repeat ya. If the data we got from the apparatus, you have to write everything from the readings, such as ammeter, voltmeter, stopwatch. Yeah, clear ya guys ya. And then the next tips is apa? The number of sigfig, the number of dp, the number of dp must be uniform. Let's say in here I got 31.03, this one 33.69. This is Miss Kiki's data ya. Yeah, I did the practical this afternoon. 40.75. Look at, yeah, uniform dp. Okay, uniform dp. Yeah, if you use 1 dp, ya udah all 1 dp. If you use 2 dp, all 2 dp. Yeah, but for the stopwatch, yeah, you got the reading is 28.41. Just put everything. Yeah, correct. Clear? Any question? Okay, move on ya. 1.42. This one we got from apa? Time taken divided by 20 oscillations. Yeah, from the calculation, miss. So we're gonna use 2 sigfig or 3 sigfig because the rule in physics is you have to use two smallest significant figure or small significant figure plus 1. Yeah, that's why in the mark scheme 2 or 3 sigfig it's fine. Okay, and then t square also the same. Yeah, do the same. Okay, this one just use the calculator. Yeah, Miss Kiki's data, look at ya, I found ini 2.0. Okay, ini 2.4. But look at one more thing. In the calculation, this one not depends to the dp anymore, but depends to apa? Depends to apa? Number of sigfig. So here must be have to use apa? Same significant figure. Yeah, clear ya? Let's say. Bentar ya. Let's say in here, let's say Miss Kiki found 2.1. Can Miss Kiki write 2.1, guys, here? No, Because 2.1, how many sig fig? This one 2. Yeah. 1.42 is 3. So this one 2.10. Am I clear? Clear, yeah? Okay. Or like this. Miss, can I use 2 sig fig, Miss? Boleh. Let's say. If 2 sig fig, let's say 1.4 here. And then Miss Kiki got the data, this one 2.04. Is that correct? No. Because apa? 2.04 is 3 sig fig. So apa? You use 2.0. Clear? How if the data, let's say the data is 0.60, 0.6. Can Miss Kiki write like this? 0.8, 0.9. Is that correct if Miss Kiki write the data like this, guys? Let's say the data like this. Is that correct if Miss Kiki write the data like this? Ayo. Iya, siapa tuh geleng-geleng? Livia. Iya, it's wrong. Livia, why? Yeah, speak, Livia.
That one significant figure.
Yeah, because that one is one sig fig, Miss. Like Miss Iki told you before, this one. Yeah, the calculation depends to the number of sig fig. Yeah, not to the number of DP. Yeah, but if the data we got from the measurement, okay, must be same DP, must be uniform DP. Clear, yeah? Clear, yeah? So in here, wrong, Miss, because look at how many sig fig do we have here? At the first count, 2 sig fig here. All right? Yeah, dong? And then the second data, 0.6. This one consider 1 sig fig. Yeah? So you have to put 60 over here, 80 here, 90 here. Done. Clear? Any question before we move on? Miss Kiki repeat, yeah? Repeat one more time, okay? If the data we got from the from the readings, from the measurement, okay? Just take whatever you got from the reading, from the ammeter, from the voltmeter, yeah, from the stopwatch, okay? Please come on dong, guys. Yeah, it's impolite if you turn off your camera. Okay, and then for the calculation, if we got the data from the calculation, we have to use apa? Number of, sorry, you have to take apa? The smallest sig fig. Clear, yeah? And then in here must be same significant figure, not depends to the DP. Remember, yeah, not depends to the DP. Okay. Nih, number sig fig, uniform DP. Yeah, because this one we got from the stopwatch. Yeah, this one we got from the calculation. Yeah. Okay. Clear, yeah? Move on, yeah? Any question dulu about how to fill the data into the table? Mana mukanya? I cannot see your expression ini. Bisa? Aduh, aus loh. Aduh, Miss Kiki from 4 PM loh. Teaching loh. Non-stop loh. My goodness. Duh, ini yang ini fourth batch ya. Aduh, Mr. Randy. Mr. Randy here. I assign you as co-host ya, Mr. Randy. Tiring ya tuh. Itu. To let them in. But please check the name first ya, Mr. Randy ya. I don't want stranger came. Okay. No more question about here? Clear? Grace bisa? Udah datang telat tadi. Okay, move on. Nah, this one. Yuk. What is the tips and trick to do this one? Apa? The first, apa? Look at how many marks here. 4 marks. Apa? Ya, the first, apa? Of course, apa? You have to apa? Label. Okay, you have to label ya. Aduh, kok very small ya my iPad. Wait. This one. Y-axis. Look at here, Y-axis. This one x-axis. Yuk. So the first step is this one. If you label this one, you got 1 mark already. Believe me. Okay? Okay, easy miss. And then next. You do not need to start your axis at the origin. Okay? Okay, ini you got 1 already. What else? You have to use appropriate scale. Okay? After appropriate scale, you have to apa? Plot the coordinates, okay, with the apa? Thin lines, ya. So ini best fit line. Okay, remember this one ini you have to use at least half small square ya. Meski kiri lagi nih di sini, meski count lagi. Aduh, not enough space ya. First apa? Label. Ish, not enough space ya. Wait. Where ya? Here. Label. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. 1 mark already. Okay, after label x-axis, y-axis, and then apa? Use apa? Appropriate scale. Okay, please avoid to use apa? 3, 7, 9, 11, 13. Mesti you already mentioned about this one ya. Not to use this scale. Okay, after that plot the graph. Okay, plot the coordinate. Plot the coordinate. But the rules apa? At least maximum apa? Half small square. Okay, do not put, let's say, the cross like this, too big. Yeah, half small square. Okay, and then the last point apa? Best fit line. Okay, please sharpen your pencil. Okay, ini must be thin line, must be smooth. Clear ya, about this one ya? Clear ya? Okay, Miss Kiki's data. Know how to done. Miss Kiki will share this one dulu to you. I think Miss Kiki already scan deh my answer. Okay. Okay. This is my paper, like Miss Kiki, like I told you before, the examiner from Cambridge will use my answer as mark scheme. Yeah. Like they refer my answer, my data. Okay, this one, you already clear about this one, yeah? Okay, 2DP, and then ini Miss Kiki decided to use 3sigfic. It's up to you. You may use 3sigfic or 3sigfic is okay. And this one, why Miss Kiki only use 1DP or 2DP in here, T square, S square? Because we're gonna use this one. We're gonna use this one apa? To apa? Plot the graph over here. Look at, it's hard to use 2DP in the y-axis. Yeah? So this one 2, this one 2.1, this one 2.2, like that. Aduh, nggak jelas ya. Okay, not clear ya. Nih, like that. Look at how many marks Miss Kiki get. Look at first label, 1 mark already. Okay, and then appropriate scale. Look at 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, multiple of 1. Okay, accepted. Okay, and then in the y-axis, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Still accepted. Yeah, this one Miss blank. It's okay. You still use like ini almost 90% of the grid. Yeah, in the x-axis. Okay. Appropriate scale 1. Okay. And then look at Miss Kiki apa? Plot the graph. Plot the coordinates. Ya. Aduh, nggak kelihatan ya. I plot here, I plot here, I plot here, I plot over here, I plot here. Look at, even Miss Kiki, look at. Yeah. Look at, the line is not passes through all the coordinate. It's okay. Best fit line, the average. Yeah, from your data. Okay, clear yeah? And then look at, if you can see here, I plot the gradient, the triangle to get the gradient. And then look at, I put this one, the coordinates. Yeah, nih nggak kelihatan lagi misalnya. I got 62,2.5. So like that, yeah. You have to write like this also, yeah guys, yeah. 93.7, yeah. The coordinates of this one and this one, yeah. Because we're gonna use this one for apa? For find gradient. Okay. There, yeah. Thin line. Okay. Base width line. Coordinate half small square. Done. Full mark. Any question about this one before we move on? Clear? Pro, yeah. Already pro, yeah. The problem with you when Miss Kiki check your paper, this one nih, yeah. Like it's hard for you to find the appropriate scale. Yeah, not most. Some of you start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then kan the data start from 2 until 4. Jadi like this. Look at. If you write like this, lihat. Like how many percent of the grade this one? Even not 50%, yeah. Yeah, be careful, yeah. The rules also for graph, at least, yeah guys, at least 75%. At least. Yeah. Do not less than 75%. Okay. Move on, yeah. This one I got nih the same. In mark scheme here, this one only 1 mark. Yeah, in mark scheme, you have to plot the triangle. They didn't see this one in the mark scheme. Nah, this one. If you draw like this, you got 1 mark already. Yeah, clear, yeah? But don't forget to plot the coordinates. Okay, and then use the formula apa gradient y2 minus y1 equals to x2 minus x1. Yeah, I got 0.043, and then Miss Kiki substitute to the formula this one, yeah, and then Miss Kiki got 9.2. Okay, more or less 9 something or maybe 10 something, because this one we need to determine the gravity. Gravity, as you know, is 10.81 kan. Look at Miss Kiki got 9.2. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, still within limit of accuracy this one. Okay, clear ya? Number 1 ya? Clear ya number 1 ya? Okay, move on. Number 2. Number 2 also important. Yeah, number 2. Number 2. This one. Nih. Current. How to write current, guys? How to write the data here. Like Miss Kiki said, apa? Just write everything that you got from the reading. But you have to use apa? Here. Here blank kan? There is no unit here kan? So you have to use apa? SI base unit, which is ampere. Okay. And then this one, like we said before. Okay. Sometimes this one blank, this one blank, this one blank. Yeah. Please pay attention with that one. Yeah, because this one counted as 1 mark. Okay. Then this one, the voltage. Look at same uniform DP. Yeah. Yeah, uniform DP, yeah. Okay, and then this one, V over L. Okay, voltage divided by length. I got 299, 298, 300, 299, 298. Okay, so the answer is apa, guys? Approximately constant. Okay, and then justify this one. You have to explain. Yeah, refer to your data. Okay, and then the one that you take here must be matched here. If not matched, let's say your data is not the same, but you take this one nih, ini, aduh, wrong dong, ya. Okay, just being honest aja, ya. If your data not approximately constant, ya udah, you take this one, mana nih? Let's say this one or this one, and then you justify here based on your data. Okay. Next. This one easy, yeah. This one easy. Miss Kiki use 1, 2, 3. 3 sigfic. Yeah. Okay. This one to minimize. Okay. The rise in temperature of the resistor wire, we have to switch off between the readings. Yeah. Okay, Miss Kiki always say it like this loh. Every time you have a practical. After you take the reading, switch it off. Ya kan? And then switch it on again when you already set up. And then switch it off again. Any question, guys, about this one before we move on to the number 4 planning? Ini udah. Any question dulu, coba. Because tomorrow we're gonna use, of course, pendulum, and then electricity, ya dong. And then temperature easy peasy ya. Temperature in this paper T blank, ya kan? T/blank you have to put second S. Theta / blank you have to put degree aja, small apa tuh circle, ya. And then remember also temperature no dP. Why no dP, Miss? Because the small scale of temperature of thermometer is 1 degree Celsius. Yeah, that means there is no 73.5 degree. So you have to choose either 70 degree or 74 degree. Okay, bisa? Nah, this one susah nih. I close dulu ya this one. Miss Kiki will. Bentar. Okay. Oke. Fokus ya, fokus. Ini susah. How to do number 4, Miss? How many mark there? I think around 7. Yeah, 7 mark. Okay. Yeah. Read this one first. 1 minute. Okay. Done. This is designing experiment, yeah. So basically, like we make the procedure, okay, and then imagine like this, guys. Kan every time we did the practical, like this one, ya kan? You have apa? The first apa? You have the apa? The diagram. After diagram, they give us the apa? The procedure. Okay? Nih, go back here. Don't be confused about this one. This one actually not that difficult. Nih, like this one, ya kan? At the first, apa? Look at ini just example. You have the diagram, and then you have the procedure, and then you have to, and then you have label, right? Label table, okay? And then sometimes graph, okay? The same, yeah. Okay, but in here you have to make the procedure. But how, Miss? Let Miss Kiki explain to you. Miss Kiki take this one. Mana tadi? Wait. S16. Kok hilang? This one. Okay, Miss Kiki use this one because we already did this experiment many times. Okay, so easier for you to make the designing experiment for number 4, this one, yeah, because we did this one in the real experiment. Okay, yeah, let Miss Kiki. Bentar, I mau biar rapi. Yeah. A student is investigating how the resistance of a wire depends on the length of the wire. Okay. Okay. And then the student aim to plot a graph. Look at, they ask to plot a graph. Okay. The following apparatus is available to the student. They give us the apparatus. Okay. You have to use the apparatus listed here. Do not use another apparatus that unnecessary. Yeah, do not add. Okay. Yeah, just use from this. And then plan an experiment to investigate how the resistance of wire depends on the length. Okay. How the resistance of the wire depends on the length of the wire. Okay. And then you are not allowed, you are not required to carry out this investigation, of course. What for? Okay. And then you should diagram. Sorry. Diagram. Draw the diagram of the circuit. Of course, here they will check the ammeter, the voltmeter. Remember, ammeter connected in series, voltmeter connected in parallel. Okay, and then briefly how you would carry out the investigation. So that means this one apa? You have to explain the procedures. Okay, and then suggest suitable length of wire. This one, later. State the key variable that you will control. This one variable control. Okay, and then draw table. Okay, with column heading to show you how you will display reading. Okay, yeah. Okay, clear about that one dulu? Okay, first for designing. Okay, the first step apa? You have to look at. They give us a blank space like this. This one at this space you have to draw the diagram. Yeah, look at, yeah, always like that. They give us the blank space. Okay, you have to draw. Okay, you have to draw labeled diagram. Okay, and then you have to apa? Make the apa? Independent variable, the same like bio, yeah, and dependent variable. And then look at here, they said that nih, variable control. Okay. Variable control means apa? Means apa? This one kept to be constant. Yeah, sorry, to be kept constant. Okay. And then number 3, of course, the method. Yeah, procedures. Okay. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Let's start from independent variable. What is independent variable? Ayo. Josephine Keisha.
Like a variable that doesn't need another unit.
That doesn't need another. No. Bukan. Ayo apa? Independent. Anyone knows about this one? Ayo. Independent variable. The variable that apa? We can change, we can manipulate it. Yeah. Variable that we can change, yeah. That are changed aja lah by observer. Okay. In this case, independent variable-nya apa? Coba. Variable that are changed by observer. In here, we need to apa? Investigate how the resistance of a wire depends on the length of the wire. Ayo. Apa independennya? Ayo. If you cannot decide this one, you cannot go to the procedure. You cannot draw the table. Ayo.
Is it the length of the wire?
Sorry?
Sorry. Is it the length of the wire? So we can find like the effect.
Sorry,
length.
the apa nak?
Oh,
Sorry.
The length of the wire. So change it every experiment.
You could paste. This is you good, right? Ya, boleh. Chat. Ya, kalau you chat aja. Ayo. Independent variable that we need to change, we need to manipulate. Apa? You can chat in the chat box. You may answer here ya guys ya. Tuh. And then after independent variable, we have dependent variable. Yes, correct. The length of the wire, yeah, the one that we can manipulate here is the length of a wire. Okay, after that we can start the procedure. But if you cannot determine this one, you cannot write the procedure. Okay, length of a wire, length of a wire, yeah. That's independent variable. What is dependent variable? What is dependent? Ayo, independent and dependent always itu. Always couple. Ayo, variable that are changed by observer. In this case, apa? The length of a wire dong, Miss. Nah, after you change the length of a wire, we got apa? Dependent variable, which are apa? Which are apa? Changes because of the yeah. Dependent variable, this one affected by independent variable. Let's say when we change the length of a wire, you know, so the length would be let's say smaller or bigger, right? Berarti apa? Ayo. Apa? Ayo. Apa? Voltage, right? What else? What else? Maybe current. What else? What else? Resistance, right? Okay, clear about this one? Next, variable control to be kept constant. Ayo, apa? In this case, we need to apa? Investigate how the resistance of a wire depends on the length of the wire. Ayo, to be kept constant apa? The type of a wire. Yeah, you cannot change. At the first experiment, let's say you use copper, and then second you use iron. No, okay, it's not allowed. So to be kept constant, apa? The type of a wire. What else? What else, guys? Because if you change this one, it's gonna be different, right? It's gonna be affected, right? So this one must be kept constant. The one that can change is only the length of a wire, and then affected to the dependent variable, which are voltage, current, resistance. Yeah. Okay. The next question is variable control. Yeah. The variable that we kept constant. Apa? Ayah, ngantuk nih ya. Pulang aja nih. Apa? Ayo. Ayah, you did this one many times. Already 3 times ya, or 4 times ya. Ayo.
Miss, can we say the cross section of the
Nah,
wire should
pinter itu yang tunggu-tunggu ya. The thickness of a wire. Good. Ya. Okay, dah. Oh, one more thing, guys. Dependent variable, this one must be we can measure, ya. Dependent variable we can measure. That's why voltage, current, resistance. Usually like that. Usually in physics, ya, in physics. the one that we can measure. Okay. Clear about this one, yeah? Independent variable that we can manipulate, we can change, yeah. Okay. Dependent is the the variable that affect from the independent variable, yeah. Voltage, current, resistance. Variable control we kept constant, yeah. Clear about this one dulu? Clear, yeah? And then after that, method procedure. After method procedure, of course you have apa? Table, yeah. Table but blank aja, blank ya. No need to fill the number, no need, yeah. Just a table with the quantity and correct unit. And then let's say if the question asks the graph, ya udah you have to provide the graph also, okay? And then usually apa? The last one apa? Draw a table, state the key variable that we gonna suggest. Explain briefly how you could get it. Draw diagram, draw table with column heading. Apa? After that apa? Usually apa ya? Wait. Udah lah ya. I think udah ya.
Conclusion, Miss.
Sorry?
Conclusion.
Aduh, nggak jelas. Apa?
Conclusion.
Conclusion? No. Ya, boleh lah. But later, you can see in the mark scheme. Ya, Miss will show you in the mark scheme. Ya, it's not that important because because there is no in the mark scheme that one. Ya. Bentar. Apa lagi? Bentar. Ada satu ketinggalan ntar. Oh, kan beringat safety precaution. Okay. And additional detail. The conclusion because kan gini guys, kan we need to make the designing experiment, right? Yeah, like after you make this number 4 and then you give to your friend can do the experiment like that, ya kan? How come you put your conclusion there, right? Because this one kan designing experiment. Okay, bisa? Yuk, start ya. He will yeah, start from this one. Ini udah ya, already ya, take ya. Okay, take the notes ya. Okay, next. Nah, ya, how to draw this one? How to draw the diagram? Masih draw here aja. Ayo, gimana? Open your paper, ada right? Power supply, battery, okay, and then of course we need apa tadi? In the draw independent variable is length of wire, dependent voltage, current, resistance. Let's say, of course, apa? Ammeter, okay, connected to the ammeter here, okay, and then apa? This one resistance of a wire, boleh ya? You may draw like this aja because kan you use a pencil, right? No color kan, nah like that ya. Okay, you draw like this boleh. Tuh, okay. So they know this is resistance of a wire. And then ammeter series. Okay. Then this point, and then this one connected to the apa? Voltmeter. Okay. Connected to the voltmeter. And then here apa, guys? This one. Remember this one apa? The sliding contact. You have to label ya guys ya. Look at Miss Iki. Lihat. Draw label diagram. Okay. This one sliding contact. This one, the independent variable, the length. Deh. Right? Easy, right? 1 mark. Okay. But look at, you have to draw correctly. Ammeter connected in series, voltmeter connected in parallel. Okay. And then battery no need to label because you already put the sign. But if you draw a power supply, maybe you use like this, but you have to label this is power supply like that. Yeah, but in my opinion better you draw battery aja. Yeah, easier. Any question about this one? No. Udah. Sorry, ini label, lupa. This one, yeah. This one is the resistance wire. Okay. Udah, right? And then, yeah. After that one, independent already. Okay, now make the table. Yeah. The table apa? Dependent from here is voltage. Okay. Length slash centimeter. Okay. This one you got apa? Voltage. Okay. And then what else? Let's say you got current. Okay. And then let's say you got resistance from the calculation. This one you got from the reading. Okay, this one from the calculation. Clear, yeah? And then let's write the procedure. Yeah. So let's say number 1 apa? Yo, number 1 apa? Set up the apparatus. Yeah, as shown in the diagram. Okay. And then number 2 apa? Take the dependent variable dong. Okay. Independent first, sorry. Variable that are changed by observer. Okay. And then apa? You have to measure dong. Apa? From the independent. Okay. Ini you have to describe. Ini depends ya. Ini kan in this case resistance of a wire. Okay. If another case, let's say talking about thermal or maybe about pendulum or maybe about moment, ya udah, you have to measure this one first, the independent variable. Clear ya? Okay. And then after that apa? Measuring apa? Dependent now. Udah. Okay. After that you have to explain how to keep the variable constant. If necessary, apa? Repeat. Ya. Repeat the experiment if necessary. It depends to the experiment ya. Sometimes they use number 5, sometimes now. With how many times ya, gitu. Nah, you can describe this one like similar with our paper 5, this one. Number 1, number 2, number 3 is the same. Yeah, let's say first measure the length of a wire by using ruler. Yeah, you have to state the ini guys nih, the apparatus from here. Yeah. Measure the length. So you already explained the length, the quantity, yeah, and then by using ruler, gitu. Okay. Or maybe you said apa? Sorry, ini talking about ya. Place the sliding contact at, let's say, 80 centimeter. Gitu, ya. Clear ya guys ya? And after that, measure and record the voltage and the current. And then fill into the table given. Nih. Udah gitu. For this one, you have to describe. If you want to find the resistance, yeah, you have to describe here. Yeah. Calculate R by using formula V over I. You have to write this formula explicit. Okay. Apa lagi ya? Any question dulu? Ayo sambil ingat, aku tadi ketinggalan. Any question? Because this one, I think the most difficult one is number 4 ya. Coba masih ada yang bingung nggak? This one just follow from the paper 5 ini number 2 to number 2 to number 3 ya. Ini like place let's say if we measure the temperature, place the thermometer and then take the hot water, measure lagi like that ya. But you have to describe the quantity and the apparatus. Don't forget to use this apparatus ya. Diagram ada, circuit already, how you will carry out the procedure ya. Suggest suitable length already ya. 80, 60, 40, 20 centimeter like that. Okay. And then the variable that you will control to keep constant, right? You have to state it. Don't forget this one ya. Don't forget. And then draw a table. Udah. Okay. Done. Okay. Now try to do this one ya. 5 minutes enough ya. To make the procedure ya. Mesti you want to see this one. 5 minutes enough ya. Coba ya. Yeah, I'm all set. After this, Miss Yi will show you the mark scheme, and then let's see how many mark do you get. Ya, let's see. Cepat, biar I bisa cek you punya paper. Easy, right? Duh, ngantuk. Ayo, cepat. Ya udah 1 hour dah. Ayo udah capek. Yuk, guys, please try this one ya. Ya. Ya, if possible tomorrow if you want Miss Kiki to check your paper, Miss Kiki will check it, ya. Ya, so you know how many mark do you get to answer this one. But Miss Kiki will give you the maximum also for this one, ya. Ya, for this one yang ini, ya. Oke? Oke? Bye-bye. Good luck for tomorrow try out. Bye-bye.
Bye,